So next in model 4, the third part of the concept is oscillator. Oscillator is a circuit and it is act as a generator, means it generating some output signal which oscillates with a constant amplitude and the constant desired frequency. So another definition of the oscillator is it is an amplifier which uses a positive feedback and without any external input signal, it generates the output waveforms at a desired frequency. So this is the definition of the oscillator. So one thing is very important, that without any external input signal, this circuit will generate the oscillations or output waveforms because of only what we are applying the DC voltage, DC supply voltage. It means plus VCC. With the help of plus VCC, so we can operate the oscillator circuit. It means that instead of using any external input signal, so we are using DC supply voltage VCC as an input for the oscillator circuit. Then it generates the oscillations or output waveforms with a desired constant amplitude and the frequency. Okay. So in oscillator, normally we are using the positive feedback technique. In amplifier, we commonly use the negative feedback technique, but in oscillator part, positive feedback technique we are using. Then what is the concept of the positive feedback? So this is your input signal, positive and negative half cycle, and when you apply this Vs to this mixer, so another input we are getting after this mixer, so that Vi is used as a input voltage of the amplifier block. Then we will get V0 in this form, and that V0 is sampled and fed back to the input side through the feedback network or feedback circuit, and here you will get the feedback voltage Vf, and when Vs and Vf are mixed together, here in one side Vs is mixing, in another side Vf is mixing. So when both are mixed together, again we get Vi, and whatever the input Vs and the feedback voltage Vf, so both are in the phase, means both are in the phase. If positive positive, negative negative, there is no any phase shift, there is a 0-degree phase shift. Even in amplifier also, the 0-degree phase shift between output signal and input signal. Even in feedback path also, a 0-degree phase shift between output signal and input, and between input and feedback signal. So this is the concept of positive feedback. Next, the very important concept is Barkhanson criterion statements. See, whatever the oscillator circuit, it generates the output waveforms without any external DC, without any external input signal. At that time, it should follow some criteria. So that criteria statements are Barkhanson criteria statements. So these two statements, by following these two statements, the oscillator will generate the oscillations or output waveforms. The first statement is whatever in the feedback amplifier circuit, the total phase shift around the loop as the signal proceeds from the input through the amplifier feedback network back to input again, completing one loop is 0 or 360 degree. It means, so this is one part of circuit. So here either 0 or 180 degree phase shift in another part of the circuit, that is feedback part of the circuit. So here also 0 degree or 360 degree. When we consider the entire loop, the input is starting from this point, it will goes towards amplifier, we get output, again output come back to feedback, again the feedback voltage come at the input side. So this is one loop. So whatever the phase shift around this loop is either 0 degree or 360 degree, then only it can generates the oscillations. This is first statement. Then second statement is A beta is equal to 1. Then what is A and what is beta? A is the voltage gain of this amplifier, means V0 by Vi. Then beta is the feedback factor. When gain is multiplied with beta, or the product of gain, voltage gain and feedback factor is unity, is equal to 1. So then only it is possible to generate the oscillations with a constant frequency and desired frequency. So these two statements are very important in the case of oscillator part.